Well, I will be continuing the theme of winners and losers in the world of weather today because it's a tale of two halves. Northern areas are cloudy and wet, the rain is heavy. Southern areas fine, dry and beautifully warm. This is how it looks first thing this morning. It is very mild. We're starting with temperatures of between 8 and 10 degrees for the most part. Best of any brightness for the southeast where it stays all day long. England and Wales start off sunny, but it slowly clouds over from the north as we head through the day. Rain moves in here. A reverse of fortunes for Scotland and Northern Ireland. After a cloudy, wet start here this morning, the rain clears away and sunshine returns along with a few scattered showers. But it will be warm in the sunshine, above average across the board, but 23, maybe 24 in the southeast would make it the warmest day of the year so far. The price you pay, high levels of pollen, also moderate levels of UV, so don't forget your sun cream. This evening and overnight, we're divided with this band of rain. It starts in northern England and Wales. It slips its way southwards through the night. Clearer skies follow in the north with some mist and fog developing. And tomorrow looks largely fine and dry, but misty in the southeast. Good morning to you. Mixed fortunes across the UK today, but the outlook is drier and actually warmer. A weather front slips south, much needed rain for some gardens and allotments, then high pressure builds back in for the weekend. And it stays with most of us into next week, which means the outlook is largely dry, and with southwesterly winds, it is also relatively mild. But today, like I said, rain in the north, sunny spells further south. It is mild wherever you are first thing this morning. We're starting between 8 and 12 degrees Celsius. There are three zones of weather. First of all, it is fine, dry, sunny in the south. Then we have the cloud and rain in the north. This slips its way southwards, so after a sunny start, expected to cloud over through southwest England, Wales, the Midlands, northern areas of England. Rain arrives here later. And then our third area of weather reveals itself this afternoon. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunshine returns, along with some scattered showers. And it's mild across the board yet again, 15 to 18 in the north, but the highest, 23, maybe 24 degrees across the southeast. And that would make it the warmest day of the year so far. Worth pointing out pollen levels, while they're still low or moderate in the north, moderate or high in the south, and starting to move into grass pollen season. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook that takes us through the weekend and a peek into next week as well. First of all, across the north, looking at our temperatures. So average is about 14. Temperatures remain way above average as we head through next week. And these are our sort of average highs. We could get to 17, 18 degrees, if not a little higher, by the end of next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north. Well, we can see rain symbols around. Today is the wettest day. That rain clears to showers. The weekend is looking largely fine and dry, but into next week is the story of sunshine and showers. So not a washout, but the outlook remains mild. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Well, the big trend here is how warm it is set to be. Next week, we could get to 23 or 24 at best. And then percentage chance of rainfall with a high pressure close by. The outlook remains largely dry. Wet weather moves in across northern areas today, the weekend dry, and next week is looking pretty good too. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather dominated by a tale of two halves today, but the outlook is largely fine and dry. A weather front moves southwards today, and it brings with it rain that'll be heavy at times, but into the weekend, high pressure builds. It's the force field that keeps the weather fronts at bay, and the wind southwesterly, meaning it is mild. So today, rain in the north, sunny in the south, and wherever you are this morning, temperatures are way above average to start. So we're starting 8 to 12 degrees already. First off, England and Wales, fine, dry, sunny. Western areas a little cloudy through the day. Wales, southwest England, northern areas of the Midlands, Scotland will cloud over, and then rain arrives in the north by the evening. Scotland and Northern Ireland after a wet start this morning, though, an improving story for you today because the rain clears through, it brightens up, and it's a story of sunny spells and scattered showers. And again, it is mild across the board, but 23, maybe 24 are high in the southeast. High pollen levels, particularly for southern areas and East Anglia. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. A tale of two halves today. Rain for some, sunshine for others. The best of any sunshine reserved for southern areas. Outbreaks of rain in the north. And this is how it looks this morning. Overcast and grey with heavy rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland. That will journey its way southwards, but waking up to beautiful sunshine across southern areas of England this morning, and it will stay that way all day long. This central zone will cloud over. Rain comes into the north later, but an improving story for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Sunny spells, a few showers here this afternoon. 23 or 24 our top temperature.